बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज पर प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी हूँ ब्याक क्वेश्चन से नाव फैसिलिटेटेड डिफ्यूजन। पतिम क्वेश्चन परो डिफ्यूजन। यह में वनो डिफ्यूजन इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स और सबस्टेंसेस फ्रॉम द रीजन ऑफ हायर कंसंट्रेशन to the region of lower concentration till all the diffusing molecules are distributed throughout the available space, or we can say till equilibrium is reached. And diffusion occurs through a membrane that's called as permeable membrane. And diffusion is a passive process wherein there is no utilization of energy of any type. For today's question is facilitated diffusion. That means it is the movement of substances across membrane mediated by transport proteins, mediated by transporters, and that very diffusion is called as facilitated diffusion because it is facilitated by proteins present in and on the surface of plasma membrane. Is तो diagram वुचान या diagram it is the three-dimensional structure of plasma membrane. Ultrastructure of plasma membrane. Is plasma membrane chasan, it is made up of phospholipid bilayer. Atma chasan z lipid layer. Is yellow color circle chakiwan toy. Yim chasan hermi side bunmi side z layer chasan, we call them as lipid bilayer. Yus ye lipid layer chasan achasan hydrophilic heads chasan and hydrophobic tail chasan. On both sides you have hydrophilic region, and in between the two you have hydrophobic tails. That's why is plasma membrane chasan, it is lipid bilayer, phospholipid bilayer. तो अम किन वाटर मॉलिक्यूलन वारिया ज़्यादा मुश्किल गसान पास गसन. That's why at plasma membranes पर आसान क्या proteins तिम दो किस्म आसान. As you see in this diagram, one is called as integral protein, also called as intrinsic proteins. ब्याक आसान peripheral proteins, also called as extrinsic proteins. And with the help of these proteins, protein kinch substance pass gasan from outside to cell, means towards cytoplasm, or from cytoplasm towards outside the cell, depending upon the need of the cell. So in case of facilitated diffusion, what happens? First we will define what is facilitated diffusion. It is the passive movement of substances across membrane mediated by transport proteins, and it's also a passive process and occurs without expenditure of energy. And this type of diffusion is advantageous in hydrophilic substances, means water-loving substances, which find it difficult to pass through lipid-based membranes. And transport proteins are of two types. First type called as channel proteins, also called as pores. This type of proteins, it allows only diffusion of solutes of appropriate size, of proper size, which can easily pass through these pores. That means it allows only those solutes which can pass through these channel proteins or pores. And in addition to that very channel proteins, plasma membrane also possess some water channels which we call them as aquaporins for bulk movement of water molecules. Plasma membranes पर कह proteins तिमन channel aquaporins यम कम खुद यम किन वारिया ज़्यादा वाटर मॉलिक्यूल पास गसान या bulk movement of water molecules pass गसान. In addition to that very channel proteins, we have another type of protein present on the plasma membrane called as carrier proteins, also called as carriers or transporters. These carriers or transporters binds the particular solute to be transported and deliver the same to the outside of the membrane. Chahe inside, chahe outside. That means in protein first bind with the solute. चाहे सोल्यूट नेबर पे अंदर से चान चाहे अंदर पे नेबर काड़न. इट इज सिमिलर टू ए गेट कीपर. कुछ जाए ऑफिस में गेट कीपर अंदर कुछ नेबर त्रावन नेबर कुछ अंदर त्रावन. यह सोरे गेट कीपरस ताम. अगर अंदर इजाजत आव तेल नफरस अंदर त्रावान. अगर न अंदर इजाजत आव कहें तेल हेकान नेबरिमिस नफरस अंदर इजाजत दित कह. अंदर अंदर दिवन असन कह. इथे पे यम हसा कैरियर प्रोटीन अगर अंदर इजाजत आव परमिशन आव इस पर्टिकुलर सोल्यूट अमिच जरूरत अंदर सेल मजन देन यह बाइंड अमिस कैरियर प्रोटीन सतन. इस दरवाज पे गेट कीपर अमिस गसान बाइंड तो सह अमिस अंदर कन त्रावान पान रोजान बी खड़ा फॉर नेक्स्ट वन. And in this diagram you can easily understand it. In the first one you have channel proteins also called as pores. ये concentration create गसान. Outside the cell वारिया ज़्यादा concentration आसान. And यम substance या solute molecules water molecules pass गसान from high concentration to low concentration without any type of energy. मगर यम गसान through pores or through channel proteins. दयम carrier proteins यम carry करान these molecules from outside to inside or from inside to outside. तो गोड बाइंड गसान आसन तो पे अंदर कन त्रावान रोजान खड़ा नबर बीस खतर. Is the diagram showing plasma membrane having water selective pore, water channels called as aquaporin through which bulk movement of water molecules takes place because water molecules are hydrophilic and they find it difficult to pass through lipid based membranes. Is a diagram showing diffusion, simple diffusion, passive transport, then facilitated diffusion, again passive transport. That means in all the cases there is concentration gradient between outside and inside the cell, and when concentration gradient is created, molecules or substance always move from high concentration to low concentration. But in case of facilitated diffusion, it occurs either through pores or through carrier proteins or transporters. त्रोनवनी प्रोसेस में कह एनर्जी यूटिलाइज गसान. त्रोनवे प्रोसेस पैसिव प्रोसेस. इत पे यमो प्रोसेस जरियो यमो डिफ्यूजन या फैसिलिटी डिफ्यूजन यमो जरिए वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स या सोल्यूट मॉलिक्यूल्स अचान फ्राम outside to inside the cell or from inside to outside the cell depending upon the need of the cell. I hope you understand this topic nicely. इस कॉल इंशाल्लाह नो टॉपिक फॉर इस कॉल भी खुदा सवाल अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू